Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit groups in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to edit groups into your Slack, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the Slack application, just simply tap into any of the groups that you want to edit. For example, I'm tapping this general group into here and then tap to the group name. Then after going into this section, you will get the pen icon into top right side. Just simply tap into that pen icon, and from here you can edit the name, description and topic of the group. And after editing your group successfully, just simply click into this save button at the top right. By following this very easy steps, you can easily edit any groups into your Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.